The year was 1912. The world marveled at a new wonder, the RMS Titanic. This ship was like a floating palace, grand and majestic. People called it unsinkable. It was the largest ship ever built, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. The Titanic represented a new era of sea travel. It promised luxury and speed. Passengers booked their tickets with dreams of a new life across the ocean. Little did they know, fate had other plans. The Titanic was not just big, it was colossal. Imagine a ship almost 3 football fields long. It boasted opulent dining saloons, grand staircases, and even a swimming pool. The ship had watertight compartments, adding to its unsinkable image. Engineers designed the Titanic to be the safest ship afloat. They believed nothing could sink her. This belief sadly proved tragically misplaced. The sheer size and supposed invincibility of the Titanic made its fate even more unbelievable. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic embarked on its maiden voyage. Excitement filled the air as the ship left Southampton, England. The destination, New York City, across the vast Atlantic Ocean. On board were people from all walks of life. There were wealthy businessmen, immigrants seeking a new life, and families out for an adventure. They were all blissfully unaware of the icy peril that awaited them. The first few days of the journey were uneventful. Passengers enjoyed the luxurious amenities and the vastness of the ocean. But on the night of April 14th, the unthinkable happened. The Titanic, sailing at full speed, collided with an iceberg. The impact, though jarring, seemed minor at first. Many passengers dismissed it as nothing serious. However, the iceberg had ripped a series of holes beneath the waterline. Water began to flood the ship's compartments, silently sealing its fate. Section 5. A Night of Terror. As the gravity of the situation dawned, panic ensued. The crew realized the unsinkable Titanic was going down. Distress signals were sent out, but help seemed a distant hope. Lifeboats were lowered, but there weren't enough for everyone. The band played on, their music a haunting soundtrack to the unfolding tragedy. Acts of bravery and selflessness unfolded amidst the chaos, as passengers and crew faced their mortality. The Titanic's sinking sent shockwaves around the world. How could such a magnificent ship vanish beneath the waves? Theories and speculation ran rampant. Some blamed the ship's speed, others the lack of lifeboats. There were tales of cursed mummies, navigational errors, and even insurance scams. The disaster became a cautionary tale, a reminder of the unpredictable fury of nature and the limits of human ambition. For decades, the wreckage of the Titanic lay undisturbed on the ocean floor. Then, in 1985, a team of explorers led by Robert Ballard located the sunken ship. This discovery sparked renewed interest in the tragedy. Modern investigations have shed light on the factors that contributed to the sinking. The quality of the steel used in the ship's construction, the communication breakdown between crew members, and even the calm weather conditions played a part. The Titanic's sinking remains one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history. It led to significant changes in maritime safety regulations, including the requirement for enough lifeboats for all passengers. The tragedy also continues to fascinate and inspire. Books, films, and documentaries about the Titanic offer glimpses into the lives lost and lessons learned from that fateful night. More than a century later, the Titanic continues to capture our imaginations. It serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of humility in the face of nature's power. The stories of the passengers and crew, their dreams and their sacrifices live on. The Titanic, though lost to the depths, remains a powerful symbol of human ambition, tragedy, and the enduring power of hope.